Hello children, welcome to our maths class. Now we are learning second chapter, fractions, decimals and rational numbers. Fractions has completed. In decimals, in exercise 5 we have completed first and second bits. Now third bit. Third bit they have given. Express 10 centimeters in meters and kilometers. First question I have written on the board. Now see there. Now express this 10 centimeters. We have to convert this 10 centimeters into meters and we have to convert this centimeters into kilometers. Now, in your textbook you have this box. In exercise you have this box. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. 1 kg is equal to, kg means kilogram. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. They have given this box. Now, by using this box we have to find. We have to convert centimeters into meters and kilometers first. First we have to find, express 10 centimeters into meters. Now we have to convert the centimeters into meters. Now what we have to convert centimeters into meters, what we have to use? Centimeters, meters. Now we will use this one. Where 1 meter is equal to, they have given 100 centimeters. So, solution, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Now write like this, 100 meters, 100 centimeters like this, no problem. 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. Now we have to convert the centimeters into meters. Centimeters in meters will convert to convert centimeters into meters. Now, first of all, if you find what 1 centimeter is equal to how many meters, you have to find. So to find 1 centimeter is equal to, now we have to find for 1 centimeter can be 10 centimeters ki find out cheyagలుగుతారు. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meters. So if it comes to this side, then it becomes division. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meters. Then 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100. In the denominator we have 2 zeros. So in the numerator after 2 digits you will get point. Here we have only 1 digits. So 2 zeros are there. So 0, 1, 0.0. So 1 centimeter is equal to 0.01 meters. Now 1 centimeter is equal to, we got 0.01 meters. Otherwise, now we have to find for 10 centimeters. Here there is no need to convert, is like that only. Now we have to find for 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters is equal to 10 into 1 by 100 meters. Now 1 0 will get cancelled. Now 1 1s are 1 by 10 meters. 1 by 10 meters. If you convert 1 by 10 into decimals, it is 0.1 meters. Now we have converted this centimeters into meters. Next we have to convert this 10 centimeters into kilometers. Now here they have given 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So right here 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Here also 1 meter is equal to 100 meters. Next, now write like this, 100 meters is equal to 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. Next, now we have to convert the centimeters into kilometers. Then first we will find 1 meter is, now it is 1000 meters. Now we will find for what is 1000 meters 1 kilometer करना है. मतलब 1 meter कितने kilometers find out करना. Now we will find for 1 meter. Now 1 by 10. Now already here we got what is. Here 10 centimeters is equal to, we got already 1 by 10 meters. 10 centimeters అక్కడ మనకు already 1 by 10 meters వచ్చింది కదా. ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేద్దామంటే 1 by 10 meters is equal to 1 by 1000 multiply 1 by 1 2 3 4. 10 into 100 into 10 it gives 10,000. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have only one number, so keep 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 3 zeros, 1. Point here will get 0.001 kilometers. That is first one. Now we have converted. Next, second question. I'll write this. And second question. Next, express 45 millimeters in centimeter, meter and kilometers. Now here also we have to use that box. Now we have to convert these 45 millimeters into centimeters, meters and kilometers. Okay. Next, first here they have given. They are asking to convert millimeters into centimeters. Millimeters, centimeters. Now they have given 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Now we have to use that box. So 1 centimeter is equal to, there we have 10 millimeters. Right? That means 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 centimeters. 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 centimeters. Now we have to find for 45 millimeters. 45 millimeters means 45 into 1 by 10 centimeters. Now 45 by 10. Now it is 4.5 centimeters. Why that is 4.5? Here we have only 1 0. After 23 you will get 1. So it is 4.5 centimeters. Next, we have to convert this 45 millimeters into meters. Next, here we have millimeters, meters. So here they have given 1 meter is equal to 1000 centimeters. We will use this. Sorry, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So use that box. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Now 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. Write like this. Next, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meters. So 1 meter. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meters. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meters. Now we need for 45 centimeters. So 45 centimeters. 45 by 100 is equal to 45 by here before converting 45 millimeters. We have converted this millimeters into centimeters. 1 centimeter is equal to we have converted this millimeters into centimeters. Millimeters into centimeters we got 45 by 10. So 45 by 10 into 1 by 100 meters. 1 by 100 meters. Now multiply. 45 by 100 into 10,000. It is meters now. No. Here 2 only zeros. 0.045 meters. We have converted. Next we have to convert that kilometers into meters. Next what we have to use? We have to use 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. 1000 meters, otherwise 1000 kilometers is equal to 1000 kilometers is equal to 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. No. 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometers. It becomes division. It is in multiplication. When it comes to this side, it becomes division. So all are like that only. It is division division, multiplication, division, multiplication. So that's why we have to write by. So 1 by 1000, 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometers. Now we have to find for 45 by 1000. 1000 meters is equal to 45 by 1000 into 1 by 1000 kilometers. Now multiply. 45 ones are 45. Here we have 1000. Here we have 1000. 1000 into 1000. 1 lakh. Sorry. 1 lakh. 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 1, 10 lakhs now. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros are there, but here we have 2 digits, so we have to keep 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros, 4, 5. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we will get 0.0. 0.0004045 kilometers. Like this you have to convert. In this, if you have any doubts in third bit, first and second, if you have any doubts, ask him, I'll explain again. Next, after third bit, we have fourth bit. Fourth bit is express the following in kilometers. Sorry, kilograms. Fourth one, express the following in kilograms. First question, 190 grams. Here we have first in exercise 5, here we have box. Based on this box, we have to find the solution. See this box? Now we have to convert these grams into kilograms. Here 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams they have given. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Now they have given in grams. Now we have to convert the grams into kilograms. Here remember one thing, when you convert smaller quantity into greater quantity, smaller quantity in greater quantity lo convert chesappudu you have to go for division. When you convert greater quantity into smaller quantity, you have to do multiplication. Now smaller quantity, now we are converting the smaller quantity into greater quantity, so what we have to do, you have to do division. So 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams, so 190 grams is equal to how many kgs they are asking, so you have to do division. 1 kg is equal to 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So 190 grams is equal to 190 by 1000. You have to do division. 1, 2, 3. After 3 digits you will get point. 1, 2, 3. Here will be point 0.19. After point there is no value. 190 kgs. That means 0.19 also, 190 also. After 19 is there any number? There is no number. So 1 kg here, if you have not written 0 also, no problem. 0.19. 0 is there. After 0 if you have any doubt, if you have any digit then there is a value. But here after 19 0 is there, only 0 only. After 0 if you have any digit, 0 tarkana digit unte, you can say that 0.1901 kilograms. But after 19 only have 0. After point there is no value for the 0. So it is 0.19 kgs. Next, second question is for 247 grams. Here also 247 grams. Now we are converting grams into kilograms. That means smaller quantity to greater quantity. When you are converting smaller quantity to greater quantity, what you have to do? You have to do division. Here also 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Now 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Now 247 grams is equal to 247 by 1000 kilograms. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Here we will get point. So 0.247 kilograms. Next, third one, 44 kgs, 80 grams. Third one, 44 kg, 80 grams. Now, here they have given already in kilograms. Now we have to convert these grams into kilograms. Then we will go for division. Next, here 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Next, so 80 grams is equal to 80 by 1000. 80 by 1000 kilograms. Here 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros are there, but here we have 2 digits, so you have to keep 1 zero. 0.080 kilograms. Now 44 kgs. 44 is in kilogram. It is also in kilogram. If you both are in kilograms, we have to add that. Plus 0.080 kilograms. Addition of decimals we have learned. Now how to do 44.00? Next is 0.080. If the digits are not sufficient, we have to write. We have to keep zeros. Now do addition. 0 plus 8, 0 plus 0, 0. Point we have to write as it is 4. It is 44.080 kilograms. 44.08. After point there is no value for the 0. So you can say 08 or 080 also, no problem. We will write 0 only kilograms. It is fourth bit. Now next fifth bit is there. Write the following decimals in expanded form. I will explain in one problem. Remaining all are your homework. You have to complete that. Fifth bit. Fifth bit, write the following decimal numbers in expanded form. Write the following decimal numbers in. Write the following decimal numbers in expanded form. Question. In fifth bit we have 5 problems are there. I will explain one. Remaining all are homework. First one is 55.5. After point you have to read one digit. 55.5. Then 55.5. Before point place value starts from ones onwards. After point place value starts from tens onwards. Tens you have to pronounce th. So how to write solution? 55.5. So ones, tens. This is tens, 5 in the place of 10. So you have to say that is 5 into 10, or directly you can say that tens means 50 plus 5 plus tens. So 5 by 10. Like this you have to complete. So up to 5 problems are there. I will explain third one. Remaining all are your homework. Third one, 303.03. Third problem. 1, 2, 3. 303.03. Ones, tens, hundreds. Before point place value starts from ones onwards. So ones, tens, hundreds. After point place value starts from tens onwards. Tens, hundreds. So ones, tens, hundreds. 3 is in the place of hundred. So 300 plus 0. 10 is in the place of, if you multiply any number with 0, then you will get 0 only. If you want to write, then you can write, otherwise no need. But write there. Ones, tens, hundred. Tens means you will get 0. Ones means 3 only. Plus here you have 0. For the 0 no need to write, but write here tens. So 0 by tens plus hundreds. 3 by 100. So like this you have to write the expandation form. Understand? Next, sixth bit. Write the place value of 3 in the following decimal numbers. Write the place value of 3. Write the place value of 3. Write the place value of 3 in the following decimal numbers. 3 in the following decimal numbers. only we have to write the place value. Decimal numbers. Now they have given C. Only for 3 you have to write the place value. Decimal numbers. Now, first question is 3.46. 3.46. Now this 3 is in before point. So what is the place value of 3? Ones. So 3 means 3.46. The place value of this 3 is 3 only. Next, second question is 32.46. 32.46. Here in this question where is 3? Here we have 3. This 3 is before part. That means this 3 is in whole number part or integral part. Integral part. Place value starts from ones, tens. So the place value of these 3 is 10. So that's why you have to write 3 tens means 3 tens are 30. Directly you have to say 3 tens are 30. Next, third question. 7.43. 7.43. Now, in the 7.43, 3 is in decimal part. 3 is in decimal point. What is the place value of 3? Tens. After point, place value starts from tens onwards. Tens, hundreds. So, 3 into 1 by 100. Now it is 3 ones are 300. Like this, you have to write the place values for remaining two numbers. Up to 6th bit is your homework. Complete your homework up to there. In third bit, especially in third bit, if you have any doubts, ask to me, I'll explain again. Complete your homework up to 6th bit.